morning, good day, good evening. Welcome, guys. Welcome, guys. What's good, everyone? Greetings for a happy Monday. Wow. What's up, chat? Look at that. Welcome, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, what a great community. What a great community, and what a great start of August. What a great start of August. Yesterday, actually last week, not yesterday, last week was tremendous, guys. Tremendous, I can tell you. One of the best weeks, Advancing really powerful. Nice looking dashboard, thank you. Good to have you on board, Badger, Maddie, Fred. What's up, guys? Random Trader. Pip Guru, Stephen Rudin, welcome Destiny, Muhammad, Crypto Games, Aline People, Miss K911, Frank, Jenkins, welcome guys, Trader07, oh there you go, chat, there you go, Alexandru. Will. Good to have you on board, guys. Look at that. Pretty good start of August. What was that for the last week? Let's do the math. 27,000 plus 31,000 plus 17,000 plus 12,000. $87,000 in 5 days of trading for August. 87 divided to 5. That is 17,400. That's where we are. About $18,000 per day in one of the big belly for August. Let's see where are we today, guys. Pretty slow on the markets. Nothing to complain. I like the way we opened. Oh yeah. I like the way we're starting off. We have a little downtrend here for 180 points so far, but there's no big deal. You see the volatility is nothing but comfortable. Oh boy, Trader Jake, good morning. Good day, good to have you onboarded, guys. Good evening out here, look at that. What's good, everyone? How's your week? What are you planning this week? How many payouts? 2, 3, are you gonna cross 5, 10,000 this week, guys? Dictator. Market profile, look at that. Who's gonna touch 5,000 bucks this week? I think we're gonna have a few guys. Oh yeah, good morning, Cabrera. But let's not forget to share the presentation with all the community members pretty much everywhere, guys, in all the trading groups. Make sure you take the link of this video, copy paste it in trading groups. Discord, Telegram, WhatsApp, all the trading groups. We're live. Good morning, good day. We're live. We're publishing on our Discord as well. Thank you so much, guys. We have a new presentation of the weekly offers listed out here. These are the weekly offer, the current week. Lucid Prop, FundedSeat, Tap on Futures, Blusky, and Savius. These are the offers. You can find this image on our Discord. I can send you the link for Discord right here. Yeah. We don't really have any other updates on the discounts. It's pretty much the same like the last week. Tap on Futures is running big deals. FundedSeat, Lucid on the daily. Even flexes are comfortable in the pricing. Blusky is the same. Savius is a little lower on the discounts for their instant funded at this time. Well, look at that, guys. We just made a new low. This is an interesting level. I was thinking about hitting some longs, but we get to measure. We're going to trade our Lucid daily accounts, you know, when we made Trickery, Pine, good day, good morning, guys. Good day, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thank you. Good morning, Adam. Alright guys, so remember, the giveaways will be done randomly and you have to be ready, which means like the video, be subscribed, and join our Discord. Well, I think if you can get used to wealth charts in terms of, visually and for the functions, I haven't really pushed any substantial trading on wealth charts. I'm more of a deep chart with volumetrica and quant tower, and that's pretty much what I search everywhere. So have not really experienced wealth charts in any form of sustained trading. Can't really pronounce there. But this is where we are, guys. Gonna trade a lot of Lucid daily accounts. We don't have any Lucid daily funded, and I hope to finish this week with minimum 2, 3, 4. There's no space for 4. There is no space for 3 either, but because we've got some funded, we got the big bellies, the 2 accounts that are heavy, sitting above $500,000 each. Oh my gosh. Look at that. $517,000. So we have a total uptrend from 314. Look at that, guys. Account balance $314,000 all the way to the current balance $517. That's $203,000 in a total uptrend. I mean, let me see when was our last red day. So we have no losses in August, 5 out of 5. And then, oh, look at that. Another 8 days, so $92,000 under 20. Yeah, starting by 21st, we made 51 grand in a day. So from 21st of July, we're running on profits. This is 8 days plus 5 this month, right? 13 days back-to-back good profits. The Tovi, if you don't like intraday unfunded, then you want to go daily ultra plans from FundedSeat, which are having end of the day unfunded. End of the day plus a cap of 100K before they take you to live. Only go live once you withdraw at least $100,000, right? So 50% off, really nice out there. I've accumulated today a ton of accounts from FundedSeat. Like, look at that. Look at my FundedSeat, guys. You know we passed 2 evaluations on FundedSeat on Friday. You know, guys, we did that. These are the 2 evaluations we passed. Oh my gosh. And we traded 6 fresh on Friday, right? So let me share with you. This is a instant funded here, an instant funding bolt, an old one which I don't need. We have a little drawdown there. I'm gonna lose it today. I want to take this ultra plan. So look at that one, guys. The accounts we passed on Friday, the 2 accounts are here. Sim funded, fresh. They're not evaluations. Yeah. And then we have 6 from Friday we traded, plus 6 that I bought today, extra. Why? What's my plan here, guys? Let me tell you something. You know, I spend a lot, that's right, and we gotta push this. But let me tell you, I'm looking forward to having 5 funded. That's how many you can have on FundedSeat. 5 funded accounts. And then nicely qualify basically for the daily payouts. End of the day consistency, daily payouts. No consistency, end of the day drawdown, and no cap, which is huge. So I'm going to try to force having 5 accounts ready on the funded stage, and then have at least 2-3 accounts ready to be upgraded anytime I lose a funded, right? So I'm gonna, because of the $100,000 cap, I can spend more and establish more in the process. I'm not gonna be limited, knowing that if I take 2 or 3 payouts, they're gonna wipe me around for the live stage. No, so today we're gonna trade in the funded stage, basically, for a FundedSeat. Oh yeah. But first we're gonna lose this instant funding bolt. Here's it. We have to lose $700, so let's lose this, guys. I mean, I'm trying to do some profits. Maybe it's gonna work, but we'll not really do anything special. We're gonna long it here, guys. If it pays 1,000 quickly, we're gonna take that. I'm not gonna mind it. Yes, you can trade news. Yes. Good morning, good day, guys. This is FundedSeat Ultra. Dictator 331, let me get back to your question. He is asking me, order projection to predetermined stop loss amount in market orders like TradingView does. Well, you have order projection, basically ability. Not really. Depends how extended and how advanced you want the order projection. Yet I find something very interesting besides that is you can nicely adjust and run your trades from drag and drop. Once you're in your trade, you can do drag and drop. Look at that, guys. We're about to hit the target there. Oh, yeah. What's wrong with you, buddy? Go for the target. Go for the target, buddy. Oh, there you go. $869 profit. Lovely. Secured. That has been secured. Let me quickly. Account is paused. Daily profit hit. 869 profit. That's good, guys. So looks like we are not able to lose it. I just need space for my daily ultra. Good. We're going to start trading the 2 funded accounts we have on FundedSeat, the 2 funded of daily ultra, the fresh ones. And I'm not going to copy trade. Starting off with the first. Without copy trading, remember, without. Thank you, guys. Make sure to like the video, everyone. The giveaways are going to be done randomly, so you have to be prepared. Complete the form and like the video. Be subscribed. And get all that stuff ready. We posted about the current weekly discount on our Discord. You can have a nice image about. You can also pause the video here and look at that. But make sure you click the live after to be fully caught up. Oh, yeah. Thank you so much for joining, guys. Appreciate it. Good day. Solitude Trading. Wish you guys a great start of the week. We're fully loaded. We're fully loaded. There's a lot of space downwards. There's a lot of space. Yet I think I'm going to ask you a question quite quickly. A little later, not right now, but just going to give you some time to think about it. Are we going to cross all-time high this week? We have CPI, PPI. You know, it is a week. It is a week where I could smash on that no consistency accounts for FundedSeat. I could smash that. No cap. PPI, CPI. Good afternoon, Ankit. Good afternoon from Netherlands, from Ankit. Raz, MNQ, there you go, guys. Thank you. This is an interesting level here. If we point out the 15-minute representation, then the algo comes in touch with the current price on the 800s. A temporary support might appear. It is already present. It is already here. But I'm testing out a little short. Supply here for the micro is what leads me towards that. It is the first trade on daily ultra funded account. 100K. I have a $3,000. Wow. Drawdown. I love that. 3,000 bucks drawdown. Ha 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 ha. Good morning, guys. Thank you so much. Good morning. I have financial jurisdiction limitation for my funded futures. We have great alternatives. We have great alternatives, guys. We have the Lucid. We have the FundedSeat. We've got the Blusky, which are having their static accounts. Yeah, so we have a lot of the spots, basically, with Lucid 5, with FundedSeat 5, with Blusky 3. There's a ton to be made. Tommy from Texas, good morning, good day, buddy. Dennis from Seychelles. Already up 350, so gonna take it easy. Only a micro. Oh, good job, buddy. Enjoy your time. Zil Carlos. I don't have a daily loss limit. Big Bear Carlos, no. I don't have a daily loss limit on the FundedSeat ones. I have a daily loss limit on my Lucid ones. Lucid Max, I have not experienced it. Lucid Max. Adding a little more to this, guys. Running max contracts 30 and about to hit a take profit on 795. Oh, there you go. Profit has been hit, guys. Look at that. We smashed it. $545. Right on my target. Celebration time for Monday. That's the way we're gonna kickstart a week. That's the way we go for the targets relentlessly. 545. I was close to say out of the blue, but it was certainly not out of the blue. We were forcing the scalping supply. It is an 810 supply delivering, guys. Come on. Thank you. Thank you, guys. So your great appreciation. Time for the third cup already of green tea for the past 30 minutes. We're not playing games, are we? Nah, we're not playing games, are we? No. You gotta know your business, guys. So if you're shorting the top, you gotta exit exactly where levels are generating previous price action reversals. That's why we got into there. So you're playing the structure, guys. It's very important from your trades when you're scalping not to request things that mean breakouts, which are way harder to be achieved. So play the structure. You know, liquidity is here, is there is above, there is below. Indeed, that's another thing. It is another type of force required to go for liquidity that is changing the market structure. And there is another type of liquidity required to play within the structure. Most of the time, I'm scalping for the liquidity which is within, and that do not makes me require a breakout. Do not makes me require 200 points or anything similar. So in other words, I'm not really seeking the price action to deliver a pattern that is most of the time complex and it has a low confirmation rate. Right, so for a short right at the top, which is what we did, you can target as along that specific level, which is fully filled up. It's their demand zone support. Absolutely lovely. Or you could target around here, or you could target around here, even lower, in case you undercut. Yet the other two targets, which I haven't used, require a different level of risk to be accepted and to be handled differently with your trailings, with partial exits. So there is a variety of way of look at that. Wow. The purple line is the 200 EMA, which is not really important for the 15-minute representation. Yeah, the red line used to have a good time. We're having a new low. You know, it's Monday. Mondays are like Fridays. Make sure to like the video, guys, and be ready for the first giveaway, which starts soon. If you're not filling up the participation rules, there's a massive gap. 140 people watching, 65 likes, which means 80 people will not receive the accounts if they're gonna part of the winners. That's nice, right? We're gonna trade our Blusky accounts too. We've got 2 accounts on Blusky. One is buffer stage. We gotta start trading that. The other one is the evaluation, and we're pretty close passing this evaluation, making 2 for buffer. Yeah. For Blusky, we're gonna have 2 for buffer. We're trading Propel 200k static drawdown, which means it never trails, never. We like that. With Blusky, you gotta be part of our team if you wanna work that out. That's the link right there, guys. Good morning, good day. Yeah. And then a push all the way to daily opening, weekly opening. 851 is going to be really comfortable, Fred. 851 target for the bulls is going to be comfortable. Yeah. I'm not afraid of that. Looking into the 4-hour perspective, we just managed to print 2,800 points. 2,800 points in August. I mean late July plus August, which is nuts. Did we just tested this line here? Yeah, kind of tested out this line here. Market is bouncing. Yeah. The more you try to predict the price action for longer term, the less you have to use the lines. It helps you to see the price. Price is important. The numbers are important, but the technical side in terms of price action analysis for the next years, or it's useless. It's useless, right? So if you want to talk about what's going to happen with Nasdaq within the next 5 to 10 years, you don't do chart analysis at all. Nah. You'd like to see total different things. We kind of use charts for a short time frame, and of course for scalping. Exactly what we did earlier. That's where it works really well. The longer you extend the time for your prediction and relying on the charts, the lower your confirmation rate on the execution goes. Yeah. Good morning, guys. Thank you so much. Welcome. $5.45 here. I have to look into something for the Ultra. In terms of the first payout needs to be there is a first payout. requirement. Wow, I'm gonna be able to trade 8 minis, guys. That's insane. As soon as I have 3,000 bucks in my account, I'm gonna be able to trade 8 minis. So imagine Scrembo running 8 minis with daily payouts. You know, I'm thinking about this one. Ha ha ha. This is what we achieve with 10 minis. Ha 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 ha. They have no idea. They have no idea what's gonna happen. Ha ha. Payout experience with Blusky, absolutely fine. They've been online since October 2022. Unkit. I've got my money quickly. I had a payout with Blusky, but we started trading with them quite recently. They've been online for many, many years. It's just, you know, a company that did not extend it. They're not really accepting affiliates. They're not really towards an extreme model of growth overnight, because it's not really sustainable when you increase like that, guys. It's not really sustainable. You need in this business to go really slow and step by step. Mikey, good luck with that. Congratulations, buddy. Keep up the good work. Orbit. Nah, Orbit is certainly not my bread and butter for the Orbit. It's not even discounted for Orbit. Very expensive. And they have some weird rules for the Orbit. So I wouldn't suggest Orbit. I'm trading Propel 200k. Just go on and trade a Propel. Unkit. I'm trading Propel accounts. The static 200k is what I'm trading. Palm Tree Trader, have a good time, buddy. Good morning, Parvin. Oh, yeah, of course, Jake. You missed a $545 profit here. Funded stage first trade for the funded seat. I think I'm gonna relong this. Yeah, I'm going aggressively, guys. 30 micros. I think they will survive. I think they will survive. They might take that 100k lower at some point. I think it's too much, right? $100,000 before they take you to live. They done some testings with this Ultra and it was producing a lot of money because the accounts are not that cheap. And when you have the daily cash out possibility and you have a $27,000 day, will you take that money out or continue building your account, guys? Think about it. Let me ask you in the following way. Let me ask you differently. You made $27,000 today and you have a buffer of 3,000. Or not a buffer, because there's no buffer. There is max loss. You have a max loss of 3,000 left. Oh, look at that flat opening. Gives me some little juice. Oh. Do you care that? Oh, guys, we're running big, buddy. Ha 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 ha. Come on, buddy. This is absolutely juice. Are we going to take a little payout here? Oh, this is daily payout. Oh my gosh. I like this. Big Bear Carlos, 17,000 is coming your way? No, you got to think about it, guys. Do you care the account is going to be lost and you're left only with a few thousands, maybe $3,000 if you're taking all that 27 you made today? You don't care you will lose that, right? You don't care. Look at that market. Wow. The whole thing disappeared. Now that's a scam I'm calling out. The whole thing disappeared here, guys. Yeah, they will change it at some point when this thing is going to be aggressive, but for the moment things are under control. I wanted to DCA, but I have no sizing possibility. This is looking great, guys. I'm gonna get into my Blusky account. Yes, a little long here as well. We still gotta do $1,800 for our Blusky. Yeah. We're longing this one too. We gotta open up Quant Tower and release the Tiger. When you take daily, what happens to your max loss? Where your max loss is going to be static, original balance plus 100 bucks. That's the place of your max loss, buddy. Giveaways will start very soon. When I finish this trade, remember, when I finish this trade from FundedSeat, giveaways will start. So it's down to you to fill up the form, like the video, be subscribed, and join the Discord. Complete the participation rules, in other words. I could actually get out here, but I think with the hourly opening we just had, market might change its behavior. Market might change its behavior. Welcome, Kim. Good to have you on board. Look at that. This is the way it's running so far. This is our first funded account from FundedSeat Ultra. We passed on Friday too, and this is one of the two. We started trading without copy trading. We got 518 secured and running on a great unrealized here. I think that's a pretty good entry. Our Blusky is not having a bad time either. I'm gonna put a stop loss break even for the Blusky. Yeah, same thing for my FundedSeat. I'm gonna trail for FundedSeat, $500 secured, guys. Yeah. Good morning, good day, guys. Yeah, probably gonna touch my trailing. Profit trailing 500, not a bad thing. Let them touch it. We gotta stack up. Stack those dollars. Exactly. With a 200k static or 300k static, the Propel is also discounted. Right, so make sure to sign up for Blusky using the form, and then for Propel, Scrembo30 is the code. 30, Scrembo30. Scrembo30, that's why. For Propel, yeah, unlimited time. I'm selling partially here, guys, so I sold 50% of my position. And I'm fully out of my Blusky, secured 190. Fully out of my FundedSeat 2, secured a total of 1,210. Oh, celebration time, guys. This is daily payout. Daily payout. Unbelievable. Enjoy your time. Thank you. Yeah. Propel. Well, you can trade unlimited evaluations, but you can have... So let me explain you with Blusky the way it works, guys. You can have unlimited accounts in the evaluation stage. Unlimited accounts in the buffer stage till you build a buffer, and 3 accounts when you hit your buffer in the funded stage, right? Because they kind of segregated to, they have the funded stage differently than the differently explained, yet at the end of the day it's the same thing. It's actually even better with Blusky. Why? Because when you hit the buffer of 3,000, for example, on Propel 200k static, you have a 3,000 buffer once you pass the evil. The evaluation is only 3%. Once you pass the evaluation, you start trading the buffer. Earn the buffer, earn that 3,000, and then get your 3,000 without consistency with daily payouts. The account fails if the balance is touching $100. That's exactly what we traded on Blusky, where we cashed out nicely. Exactly, Quantum. That's right, Quantum. 3 accounts of any size. Any size. Not pushing there at the moment, Parvin. Now I'm forcing allow with FundedSeat, Parvin. Incredibly. Yeah. Look at this one. You haven't seen anything like that, guys. We have on FundedSeat 100k Ultra 12 evaluations. 2 funded. I'm telling you, in August, I want to take $20,000-$30,000 from FundedSeat. In August. 30,000. Oh, Destiny, congratulations with that one. Good job. Good job, guys. Trickery, I'm not suggesting doing that unless you're running massively profitable with the prop firms for the past year. I'm not suggesting you to unleash such a pressure. Not suggesting you to do that. Right, so the copy trading is really exciting in theory, but costly in reality. So it is good to copy trade when you're having some buffer profits. So for example, spend $3,000 in prop firms and made 5,000 back. You can have a round of copy trading and do maybe 2 accounts, 3 accounts. That's a different thing. But having 20, 30, 40 accounts connected, I could connect all my FundedSeat here. 12 evaluations FundedSeat, I could connect all of them and be copy trading like that. If I pass 12, imagine what's going to be a wild thing, right? It's just wild. Yet if I'm not going to pass 12 accounts, do the math and see how much this is going to cost me. Nah, you know, it's... I don't think that way is the right way with a prop firms. You can do copy trading 2 or 3 accounts. We've done 3 accounts copy trading. You can see it on my Friday streams. Right, the first 6 evaluations. This 3. And the other 3. Those are copy traded and will continue to be copy traded. But then even the 2 funded we have, the daily ultra 100k, we're not doing copy trading with 2 funded. I'm trading them separated. Nevada 2,500. 2,000 or 2,500. Let me quickly look into that. I think I cashed out 2,500. Yeah. We cashed out 2,200 and there was still 300 to be cashed out. So it's 2,500 per week. Here's the cap per week. 2,500 for a 200k static. Not that high. Nevada, not that high. But assuming you can have 3 accounts and unlimited in the other stages, it's not bad. Yet it's way better with FundedSeat, I would say. Solitude trading. Payouts with YRM. I don't think we have people qualifying for payouts from YRM in August. I've seen some payouts going out, but I mean, it's easy for them this way, right? Fresh sales, resources are there. It's easy this way. However, they are certainly not a priority, and yeah. Welcome, guys, welcome. Randy, good job with that one. You see the whole price action changed here with the hourly opening. Yeah, let's do the giveaway. I told you once I finish my trade in this one, we do the giveaways. Come on, guys, let's do it. Buckle up, Badger. We're ready to do the giveaways. We're having the Will, we're having the Ducks, and the Formula. Who's ready, and who's gonna miss the giveaway by not participating? Simple. Rules are simple. Let's start with a Lucid. Are you guys ready? I'm gonna start with a Lucid. I'm gonna do only Lucid in this giveaway. A Lucid account. And maybe we do bonus. Right, so I'll give you 20 seconds. We're 194 people watching, 110 likes. There is 90 people that did not join. Because one of the conditions is to like the video. And you can't say sorry to these things. You can't say sorry. Thank you, Ankit. Thank you. Best of luck there. Best of luck there. And I'm looking forward to hearing your payouts. This is a Lucid 50,000 Lucid giveaway. 50,000 flex. I'll give you another 10 seconds. Remember that, guys. 10 seconds. Lucid flex 50,000. Remember. Have a good green tea. What a gap. 200 people watching, 135 likes. No worries. No worries. Good stuff, guys. So here we are. Watch out for the numbers. Watch out for the numbers. Double 0, double 1, and a single number 2. You can start right now. Let me know your best choice. A single guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. There are 60 people watching that have not participated. It's useless to fill up the form. The formula is useless if you're not. We have a lot of people filling up the form. No, they're not going to get anything. We're verifying. And there is no crying in the casino. I can tell you, there's no crying. Nah. There's no crying in a casino. No, no. You want to stop right there. No more guesses, it's over. You want to stop right there. Shuffle, and we're good to go, guys. Best of luck, everyone. 50,000 Lucid Flex. This is the first giveaway. We're going to have a ton more. It's not going to be number 2. It could be that yellow 0. It could be, yeah, it could be that yellow. It is, it is. It is fully confirmed. Congratulations. Congratulations for the winners and 0. Only 50. Wow. Only 50. You guys could do way better. For a Lucid Flex? 30 seconds competition time. We're gonna give this account to rank number... What is it today? Today is 10th. So we're gonna give this account to rank number 10. Rank number 10 will receive it. Attention, please. 10th will receive it. So don't rush. No, no. Rank number 10 is winning. I'm sorry for the winner. I'm sorry. Sabadelet most. Sabadelet most, unfortunately. But who's the 10th? Fly leader is the 10th. Fly leader is the 10th. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Scrembo on the 7th. Oh. Oh, yeah. Look at that top. Dennis. Parvin for the 1st. So the 10th fly leader, we gotta verify if you filled up the form. Did you? Yes, congratulations, buddy. 50,000 flex goes to your pocket. Good job. Continuing our trading, guys. 1,210 here. Feeling good about it, but I wanna... I want to trade my Lucid accounts. My Lucid daily. You know we've been doing copy trading. Good. Lucid daily. Here we go, guys. Lucid daily. Market opens. Good morning everyone. Thank you so much, guys. Great day so far. And not expecting to continue differently. And not expecting either to be different for you guys. One way or the other. You know, it's not always profitable on the trading side, which today happens to be for us. There's other great things in life we have to praise, be cheerful, and of course, be thankful. There's always things we can look at and be thankful, which sometimes we gotta do when we are under pressure. Yes, you have safety, you have buffer before payout, exactly, which is the size of your max loss plus $100 comidea. The size of your buffer for the Lucid Daily in the funded stage is your max loss size plus $100. Anything above that is uncapped, is daily payouts, and is no consistency. Welcome, buddy. Unlimited evaluations, max 5 funded. The Ultra, Daily Ultra, Quantum, Daily Ultra. The Daily Ultra. That's what I'm trading there. We have 12 evaluations of Daily Ultra of 100K and 2 funded. Give me a break, guys, of a minute. Oh, I'm not going to take a break right now. I'll take that break after the market opens. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. It's not looking bad, guys, for a temporary position here. Not something I could promise you, but I'm taking care about this Lucid daily. I want to have, yeah. I need to take some Lucid daily funded stage. Damn, you guys remember last week we could have cashed out 3,800 on my Lucid daily. We had that money, 3,800 to be cashed out, and I continued trading in a silly way. We lost it. Unbelievable. And then I went ahead and cashed out $9,000 from my other 3 funded accounts, flexes that were ready. Yeah. We had that alternative. You see the way I pushed basically for my 3,800 Lucid daily, knowing I got 9 grand ready to be cashed out. I pushed more, and that was not really the smartest thing at that point. Yeah. Oh yeah, Fred, we got some great times. You know, we're CPI, PPI this week. And I think this is going to heavily contribute. You know what's the CMA FedWatch tool presenting? Look at that one, guys. 54% and 45% for the 16th of September. We're 350, 375 right now, which is having 54%. 350, 375 base points. But we have a 45, 46% possibility for a rate increase on the next meeting, 16th of September. This week's data will change this number significantly, right? So the CPI and PPI will change these things in a radical form. We'll see the DXI moving a lot. We're probably going to see the crypto space shaking around. This is an interesting 1-minute candle we just had, but remember the 5-minute algo is going to be triggered soon. 5-minute algo is going to be triggered soon. I'm gonna test out the long guys here. 4 minis right before the 5-minute algo opens. We might be able to smash some liquidity for the upside. I'm targeting 830, so I'm targeting 15 points. 10 seconds to go and the algo opens. Look at that. Copy trading on 3 accounts. Daily stop loss limit 2,700. 150k Lucid daily evaluations. Come on, algo. What are you up to? Pretty decent looking so far. Good. Keep it going. Keep it going higher. I'm out here. I'm not trusting it for more. 436, guys. I did expect a little stronger move. I'm afraid it disappears. Look at that. 436. That's a good start. We might be able to target some 4,000, 4,500 today. That's what we made on Friday. Look at that. The whole thing disappeared. Oh, yeah. That because the week for the upside in terms of grabbing liquidity was also incapable of pushing higher. Right? So if it was not capable of doing 10, 15 points above that structure, then it was a clear sign of weakness. And I was taking my shot. Boat was sinking. You see, I'm testing out a short here. 2 minis. Nothing wild. For levels below 795. I got the freedom of doing this. Very happy about my first day on FundedSeat, funded account. Very happy. We got to trade there a lot today. The next round of giveaways will happen soon. The next round of giveaways will happen soon. Remember, we're going to share 300,000 in the next... Sorry, no, 150K. We got to cross that 800s, otherwise I'm going to be out. Beautiful. I'm putting stop loss break even, guys. We're copy trading 3 accounts of Lucid daily. Jake is back at a time we're printing. Nothing but making money, Jake. You see green, you hear fireworks. What else do you want for Monday? Green stuff and fireworks. Look at that. We got trailing profits stopped out. Yeah. I guess this is because of you, Jake. And the market comes back. Look at that. Oh. What a nasty move. What a nasty move they did on me. Wow. What a nasty move they did on me, guys. Wiping my trade. Oh, you're greedy, are you? You gotta start trading. Prop firms need financing, buddy. Prop firms need your financing, Jake. You've been accumulating a lot. It's time to give back. It's time to be humble and give something back. Opening happens in a minute. But it's not the CPI, PPI, which is Wednesday and Thursday, so we're gonna be crowded. I hope for moves of 100 points in 10 seconds. Because the no consistency uncapped accounts will have a great time. About 30 seconds, guys. We don't have anything open. There is nothing. Just ready to press the button. 20 seconds to go. And the market opens. We're gonna ring the bell. Here we go, guys. Best of luck, everyone. Oh. This is doing wild games. Daily opening, an easy target, 851 for the upside. That's an easy job. VWAP even higher. Look at that. We have many more giveaways to go. Mini team, you're gonna find out. Just be here. Look for the trading, look for the education. And when the giveaways will happen, you're gonna hear. There is no schedule. Only for people that are loyal. We're no longer doing giveaways for the other that are joining only for the giveaways. We disagree with that. This is how our community decided. And this is what we're gonna do. Look at that opening, guys. Are you proud of this? At least you're not gonna get killed by the volatility. Whatever happens here is just about 30, 40 points so far. quite undecided for a Monday. They want to play with your minds. They want to play with your minds first. I'm testing along from here a single contract, guys. If they reject a single mini, not a big deal at all. Yeah. And I'm gonna go stop loss break even once we cross 825. There you go. Right now, stop loss break even. A single contract trading is different. It is a lot of comfort. I can take, yeah, trailing profit hit. We made 14 bucks, 16 bucks. I can trade a mini in this big accounts without any pressure. Especially I'm used with the big belly accounts and 10 minis. It is a whole different thing, guys. So that experience with the big belly accounts, a lot of the people questioning why would I still trade this? Well, for the knowledge, for the experience, and for the values as an output, the whole experience is giving me. This is not looking that bad. I'm relonging it. If this level is not going to knock the door 825, then my 1 minute is going to pay off. These are 3 Lucid daily evaluations, guys. Four candlesticks rejected here. Yeah. Not really proud of that. Yeah. Probably we're gonna have another low. And we just had another low. Oh. They're doing some nasty things here. I've DCA'd. I've DCA'd a little bit. Not much. This is getting hammered. This is getting hammered. Can we get some reactions here? I've DC'd again a little. This is the time. If the reaction comes, I'm gonna be cutting my loss. Yeah, I'm cutting it here. I'll take the loss there. Yeah, I'll take the loss there. Not an issue. If you're taking the loss at the right spot, not an issue. You'll come back. 1,060 bucks loss plus the loss on our FundedSeat. Around, we had 1,200 here. Yeah, the funded account. So we lost about 1,000 from the profit here. Look at that one. It is dumping, just like the way it recovered. Impressive, guys. Impressive. Look at the 5-minute we have here. This one. It's nasty. Good to see you, Rundell Paul. Good to see you in boarded. Yeah, I'm gonna test out longing this. Beautiful so far. Beautiful. Hmm. 20 micros here for our funded account. If this level holds and rejects, we're gonna have some juice for the upside. $25 micros long. It is nasty. Good luck, buddy. This is a little nasty here. Time to see if the 750s. Although the next 5-minute, if this holds nicely, the next 5-minute is what I'm looking forward to, guys. Yeah, I've DC a little here. Yeah. And I'm gonna long it on my other fresh account, fresh funded. And I will be targeting up to 800s for this one. We got subbed out on my Lucid daily stop loss, 2,800. The account is having $1,600 left, all the three. I'm just gonna log my big belly accounts here on the Lucid. Not really enjoying seeing this without the rejection around the 40s, 50s. Come on, bulls, you want to step in here. It's time to protect this, otherwise we gotta get out, guys. It is dangerous. If this is lost, it's very dangerous. Lovely. Lovely the way we protected that for 2 minutes. And then again, another pressure steps in, guys. Look at that. This is nuts, right? Oh my gosh. What are we trading here? Yeah, I gotta put my stop loss right below that. Bottom of the wick. Nah. 733 stop loss. Gotta do the same thing on my other funded. Damn. No. We're not gonna be saved here. No. No way we're gonna be saved here. No way, guys. No way we're gonna get protected there. Look at that. No way. Nah. Yeah. You touch it. Oh my gosh, damn bulls. That was a massive failure here. The blue sky is gone. The thing is, I care about this, and it's not a bad spot, guys. It's not a bad spot, I can tell you. To relongate for me. Yeah, look at a damn nice long. Yeah. Wow. Lovely. Lovely profit here, guys. Good looking situation. Good looking situation. Not too happy about that denial. I can tell you. I was having 40 points in my hand. What a weakness. Wow. We haven't touched the daily opening. 851. Ridiculous move. Ridiculous. 841 touched, but not 851. A lot of liquidity hiding there. And then slightly above 851. Yeah. Pretty good looking long, guys. Pretty good. Even the big belly accounts are nice. 6,000 bucks profit. 7,000. We have the 10 minis on the 8,000 for the big belly. Oh, there you go. I'm leaving this one open, guys. Yeah. Because it's daily payouts. Uncapped, no consistency. Look at that. I like the way the 5-minute looks. If we're not gonna get stuck below 800s, we're gonna have a good time. Not exiting yet. Not exiting yet from here. Oh yeah, come on. If this rejects heavily, I'll be out. If this returns, look at that, 1,700. The big belly accounts are $10,000 in profit. Oh. Yet if this candle rejects heavily by the closing time, we're challenging the 800s. I like it, guys. Come on. Keep up the pressure. Keep up the pressure. This is a daily account. Daily payouts, no consistency. Damn, look at that. Wow. I'm out here. I'm sorry. We closed out on a profit 127, guys. But that was a massive, massive rejection there. I'm out from my big belly as well, from both. The Lucid stats are, the account is we made more than what they're showing me. We made about 4,000. They're showing 2,500. Gotta look into. Probably have to update my quant tower as well. So a good part is we eliminated a loss from this account. It was about $600 and we finished on 127, bro. Yeah. Looks like the Blusky account fully recovered. And you know why? Because we're a static drawdown. This is insane, guys. That's why it fully recovered. Damn, this is crazy. We had $6,300 drawdown. $6,300 drawdown. Max loss spot. That's why we have not lost it. And fully recovered. Unbelievable, guys. The advantage of running a static drawdown, which is not following you. Impressive. Yeah, the intraday is not easy. We're still in the evaluation stage with my Lucid daily. But if you don't want intraday duck waffles, then trade FundedSeat Daily Ultra with end of the day. Ultra, there are new Ultra accounts. You can trade that. I don't know if this is good. Short, no. If they unleash the pressure here, this is gonna rip above the daily opening, 851. Lovely. Lovely. We made good money, guys. We're sitting $900 profit. Good money. Oh, yeah. And from the other one, from the other funded, Daily Ultra Funded, we had 2,000 down. We're now down 955. Give me 2 minutes and I'll be back in 2 minutes. I'll be right back in 2 minutes. Alright guys, let's go. We're back in business. We gotta start trading the evaluations here on FundedSeat, or ultra evaluations. We have a ton of them. We got 12. Wow. Thank you so much, by the way, for joining. Appreciate it. Testing out a little long here might be... Yeah, I'm in longs. Pretty good looking so far. The next candle might be useful. Look at that one, guys. $500, $600. This is the one you gotta push. Not looking good. That 5-minute aggressive and then the next 1 minute we just had here. Not looking good for me. Man. I'm DCing a little bit here, guys. Yeah. I like the double rejection wicks we just formed. If we're able to break above the previous red minute body that we closed, then this could be promising for a nice movement of retest 840s. That's where the nightmare starts. That's a good one, Jonathan. Yeah. Well, I'm still thinking for that 851 daily opening. Easy to cross for an upside move. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Come on, Kendall. Not that bad, not that bad either. Come on, push, buddy. You got it, huh? Oh, yeah, I like it. And we're nicely sized, 30 micros, heavily sized. Nah. Damn, rejection once again. This is what happens on Mondays. No, this is terrible. Wow. And now it's rejecting the other side. This is just about wicks. Wow. When is a good time to DCA on a losing trade? Well, you are expecting a strong reaction from the energy of your trade. That is the good time when you're expecting that. Yeah. Yet you have to be decisive and cut it away when things go wrong. You gotta know if this is the ultimate level. If it's crossing this, I'm out. Otherwise, you DCA till you get the drawdown email. Yeah. right? So when you apply the DCA strategy that comes in contact with a brutal flat, otherwise do not apply DCA things, because you're always going to DCA until you lose the account, or you're not losing daily accounts that way, but it happens before touching payouts if you're not having 2-3 days. Not sure about TradeC. Are you guys trading on TradeC? You want to see if it's down? I do have some issues with Quantower. I like that 1 minute candle we closed. I like it. Right, so I always run DCA when I see basically the momentum is gaining towards my decided direction. And reversal pivots. DCA in. Even when you're having a loss, you can minimize your loss by DCAing and get out quickly on the swing back. This is looking pretty good so far. That could be a higher low on the $1,000 profit, guys. We gotta smash that 800s and attack the 8 daily opening. That should be the first target here. Daily opening. This is daily payouts, no consistency, uncapped. Funded seat, 100K ultra funded account. Technically, look at that, guys. Oh. Ha 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 ha. Oh. Damn, rejection. That's the way the 5 minute looks. Not bad at all. Not bad at all for a continuation. That's why I'm still holding on this. Oh boy. Flat opening. In a minute. Quite heavy on the contracts here. 30 micros. Is not a joke, guys. Look at that. We have formula. Here's the formula. Still looking at this. And I'm having a hard time not cutting. Yeah. Oh yeah, look at that, guys. I'm cutting right now a few. Yeah, I'm cutting right now one more. We secured 1,900 stop loss break even. I'm trading right before the current candle here. 800. Oh, there you go. 2,713 guys secured. Look at that one. That's some heavy profits because we're talking about daily payouts and no consistency, uncapped. There you go. 2,700. Remember, we passed 2 accounts like this on Friday here on stream. One of the accounts is this, 2,700. I'm not taking anything out yet. I'll explain you why soon. And the other account is this, down 955. I'm longing it here. I still consider we're going for the daily opening and above that. Yeah, I'm longing in this one where we have a minus. It's supply here, that's right. It's supply, it's rejection place, and I'm longing supply, which sounds terrible. I'm not taking that money out we made there, because when you cash out, your max loss goes to the original balance plus 100. So I would just put my max loss close to me that way. I will have to make some more money with that. I've DC'd here, guys. 30 micros. Release the pressure. Lovely, look at that. Lovely. Keep it going, buddy. I'll have a sell limit here. Come on, buddy. Look at that, beautiful. Keep it going, just a little more. Oh. What are you up to? Yeah, we sold partially. 5 contracts. Give me the other 5. Do not dare stopping here. It's supply indeed. Oh, I'm having a hard time not pressing the market orders, I can tell you. Oh. I'll increase my... Damn. I'm still waiting. Yeah. I'm probably going to long the other one too, where we have 2,700 here. I'm longing 20 micros long. Yeah, let's go, guys, for a nice 844. WeWap is here, 833. That's why we're stuck right now. Look at that. So I'm actually betting against, trading against that. Right, I'm longing against some heavy pressure. $25 contracts. Beautiful, beautiful recovery on that. Beautiful recovery, guys, on that. Absolutely. Keep it going, buddy. Wouldn't be bad, 870s. Wouldn't be bad. We can go even higher. Yeah. It's just a matter of fighting through the 850s. And that fight starts from 820s, 30s, 40s, 50s, all the way. It's not an easy game. We need a liquidity spike here. $841, I'm gonna have the ability to secure some nice money. And then I'll take the payout from here. And I'll explain you. Come on. This is looking great, guys. We've done another DCA. What about the other account? We hit one of the targets on the other account too. Oh. This is very consuming. Oh! That wicked so close to my target. It wicked so close to my target. Look at that. Wow. 1 point away, guys. 1 point. That's what they done to me. 1 point away. And I'm not getting out yet. I like to see how the next candle opens. I'm selling partially right there. And I'm putting a stop loss right below the current candle, increasing my take profit. There you go, take profit touched 4,056, guys, at its daily payouts. And I'm gonna get out of this one too fully. 1,237 daily payouts. Look at that. Celebration time, and let's do the giveaways. Scrembos at fire. Prop firms getting terrified. $4,000 on my Ultra accounts. Boom. There you go. That's so nasty. Oh my gosh. Now we're gonna take a payout from this one, guys. We're gonna take a payout. This is the first day. We're gonna take a payout. But let me tell you the way we're gonna do it. My max loss is going to original balance plus 100 when you take your payout. It's obvious, right? So I just want to take minimum payout. Why? Because I don't want to lose this account. I could take $3,900 right now and lose the account, right? I could do that. But then I would lose the account because there's just $50 remaining. So if I want to take more and build the balance, knowing I have 100K before they move you to live, I'm trying and doing my best for that. Plus, I have a beautiful sizing based on the scaling. A beautiful sizing there. So I'll take minimum payout from this one today. There is formula, guys, there is. Here's the formula. Plus on our Discord is listed. I'll take minimum payout. I have to see what's the minimum payout for the Ultra. Payouts and withdrawals. Ultra. Minimum payout, $250. That's beautiful, guys. I'll take 250. I don't care. I'll take 250 of this 4,056. I'll take 250. And then we'll have a nice drawdown. With the max loss sitting on original balance plus 100. That's the way. I just saw your message right now, Quantum. That's right, Quantum. They'll come back when they see the first red day. Don't worry. When they see the first red day, they're gonna come back. So I'm just gonna take $250 here and nothing else. This is what we touch, guys. $250 out and nothing else. And we'll have what? 3,800. 3,700 till max loss. No consistency, daily payouts. Uncapped with a 3,700 balance. What do you guys think about? And I'll have some nice contracts there. Oh. 870s, Kim, you got it. Even higher. Good call on 850s. You got it, guys. Good call on that. All the way. If you bought it here, anywhere, you got your 850s, I told you. Yeah. I'll take 250, Fred. Told 250 only, minimum. And then continue with the rest. Good job. You're missing a lot. Keep on making money, guys. Keep on making money. So the other account is 1,237 profit. And remember, guys, this was down 2,000 earlier today. I'm relonging this. Look at that. Just a few points. Yeah. Every single red candle Relonging. On this one. Little sizing. If I find a top, I'm gonna have a good time on that. Not to worry. Already in profit. I'll try to scalp for little dollars. Nothing spectacular here. This candle is important to me, this one. I want to see the bull stepping in here. Make it a step forward in this one, following the same structure. Beautiful so far. Yeah, keep it going. If you get rejected, I'll have to be out. But keep it going, buddy. Keep the pressure. Come on. I'm out. We had a little profit there. Homework. You mean you're trading? That's what you're calling homework. You're trading and making money. Jake. Stop confusing us. Stop confusing us, Jake. You're trading, making money. And printing it. Trading homework. Yeah, that's what it's doing. You had army, 20 years of army. You don't need homeworks anymore. 20 years of army. You can chill out. Stay on the bench. Pull up your tablet. And start printing accounts and props. He got a Lucid evaluation last week. Gotta trade the evaluations, guys, and FundedSeat. We have 12. We gotta trade this copy trading 3. But let's do the Blue Sky giveaway right now. Time for giveaway. Everyone listen up. Time for giveaway. We're doing another round of giveaway. 3 accounts of 50k from Blue Sky. Totally 150. I think Master Trader, you're the guy with YRM Live, aren't you? You were supposed to be live, as far as I remember. I don't know if they moved you. I don't know what's the situation there for you. Alright guys, so how you participate this? Fill up the form. It is that, yes. Yes. Like the video, be subscribed, and join our Discord. Right? Like the video, be subscribed, and join our Discord. Oh my gosh. Nah, it's terrible. Thank you, Contract Killer. I'll look into that. Buddy. Drop me a message. At least you got that huge payout on the 6,000 bucks you got to the 4th. So from YRM Master Trader, you got to the 4th cycle, cashing out 6,000 in a single shot. I do remember that. It was a hell of a fight. I needed to reach out. And I guess, and as far as I remember, you got paid. YRM had a $6,000 payout in a single shot if you got to the 4th cycle. That was nuts. We're starting in a few seconds. Like the video, guys. Be subscribed. Join the Discord. Three accounts of 50k from Blue Sky. Alright guys, so let's have the numbers. 00, 222, and 777. You can start right now. Let me know your best choice. Come on, guys. Good luck, everyone. 0022, 777. Triple. That was the sound it was hearing when playing darts. Triple. I've been playing darts for a few years, guys. Back in the day when I was 12, 13, 14, I was going to competitions for juniors, competitions of darts, table tennis, football, tennis, judo, all these things. Keep it going. Keep it going. 0022 777. Yeah. That was a great time, even for juniors. 777 aircraft. Here we go, guys. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Shuffle. And there you go. We don't spam. We don't spam, Natty. 0. That was earlier today. 0. And I guess it's going to be number 7 on red. I'm not going to stop this on 2, guys, today. I'm sorry. But we had a bunch of number 2 for the past week. Nah, I'm not going to stop this. It's all down to what's happening on the pedal. I can tell you guys 100% I'm not stopping this in number 2. No breaks. There you go. Number 7 for the winners. Hack 777 there. Lucky 7. Congratulations. Congratulations, guys. Lucky 7. Well, those of you with the casinos, you got the preferred number. Drake. Not your day, Jake. Not your day with number 2. But we still have one more giveaway. Remember, we still have one more giveaway. One more. Oh, look at that. 75. 75 winners. Competing for 30 seconds. Top 3 is going to win. Top 3. 50k blue sky. And we still have more giveaways we're going to do a little later. Oh, look at that, Maddie. I'm sorry, Maddie, to read that. Creath. Creath leading again. Look at a Creath. But I'm Legend is speeding up. However, we got top 3 winning. Oh, there we go. I am Legend, Creath, and Market Ripper. Oh. Good job, guys. You got this. It's time for me to verify if you filled up the form. Are you? Did you, guys? Did you fill up? No need to answer. Other than having it ready. So we got the first, the Legend. Legend is winning weekly. What's wrong with him? Legend is here. Congratulations. Creath. Yes, Creath confirmed. And Ripper. Are you? Oh, yeah. Market Ripper is here too. Congratulations. Congratulations on that one. $50,000 blue sky to your pocket, guys. Good job. Good job. We're continuing with the giveaways. We've got more to share. It's just a little later. A little later. It's stacking up accounts, yeah. So we're gonna stop trading our funded accounts here. and start dealing with the evaluations. We have a ton of evaluations, as you can see. I didn't mean to say it in a way we gotta get rid of this evaluations. No, oh my gosh. Your name was appearing there. We have more than 70 winners. You were not seeing your name because you were not amongst the top, but your name was certainly appearing there. Damn. So here's the first 3 copy trading of 150,000 this ones. We made 1,400 on Friday. All on the stream. Let's go for the next target today. A few dollars. You know, I'm gonna short it here. And I'm out. 485 profit. Easy money. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. 485. We are squeezing the bulls. We are printing. Yeah, Quantum. Just forget about it, Quantum. Yeah. First, they have to prove it. For our community, they gotta prove it. Right? So no one needs statements. No one needs statements. We're doing giveaways, more giveaways soon. No one needs statements. We want to see 50% of your profits must come for trader holding minimum 5 seconds duck waffles. 50% of the profits. This was only 485. I'm testing out along here. It's risky. In case we see a rejection here for the 1 minute structure, I'm gonna have a good time. Otherwise, we're gonna cut it away. It's a risky spot, but the candle closes soon and I like it. When that's the combination, I like it. A wick plus the candle closing soon. The next one that opens could give us a swing. Otherwise, I'm out. We're not gonna sit here if... Oh, you nasty little Nasdaq. What have you done? You managed to grab some extra liquidity, didn't you? Not the best looking. But we have the daily wheel up here. So I don't think. Yeah, of course I could be wrong. But I don't think no green candle appears of 1 minute. I'm 50 micros. I'm gonna load up more 60 micros. Come on, guys. This candle. Load up with some energy here. Otherwise, I'm cutting you. Nah, I'm cutting it. I have to cut it right below this whole thing. It's an evaluation, 3 accounts evaluation. They're doing a nasty things. Yeah, they did nasty to me. 2,371. Not a problem. Not a problem. We're going to continue trading. But they did a nasty thing here. And watch how the markets will fully recover. I just want you to watch that. It will fully recover. Look at that. The whole candle has been bought up, guys. So they only did nasty to wipe me out. The candle is already green. It's 45 points up. And they wiped me out with this thing. Look at that, guys. Damn, look at that. Look at that thing, guys. Our trade would have been totally profitable. Wow. That was a nasty, silly move. Exactly on spot. On spot, exactly on spot. Damn. I'm really gonna long it here. Yeah. We still have our max loss is 3,000. And we're attacking for some recovery here. I'm out here, 400 bucks. Beautiful, beautiful. We're down 2,000. We got a scalp like that. Get back in good shape. $2,000 on the bounce, exactly. Now we're 1,000 away. Relonging it here. Wow. Relonging it. Bring this all the way back. I've DC'd, guys. We're close to max loss. We have DC, we have 45 micros. It is not looking bad, guys. Our situation here is nice for a swing. 870 is for my swing. 1,500 would be there. Makes sense, right? For the push. Makes sense. Makes sense for the push. Come on. Makes sense for the push. Cross that 860s. That's the bottleneck. 860s is the bottleneck. Come on. I'm out here. I no longer can stand that. 1,200 down, so we made 800. But we were actually what? 2,000 what? We're actually more than 2,000, guys. We have to celebrate this. Yeah. We have to celebrate this. The whole idea was great with the longs. And now we're fighting through recovery. Look at that. No, this is good. We're down 1,200. The only thing that bothers me for this one is we're copy trading on 3 accounts. And that is costly. We still have giveaways to show up. 100k more. Yeah. Rip it. Testing out for a little short, guys. Yeah. Ooh. If this rejects here, we're gonna have some nice juice for our trade. Yeah, it's a very important candle. It's very important candle. Not looking good for my short. I've DC'd a little bit in the short here, and I'll cut it away. If they're nasty, I'm gonna cut it away. Stop loss at the very top of it. Yeah. Come on, beautiful, beautiful. Keep it going. Nah, they push it back. Yeah, they touch me. 2,500. Total. I was expecting something like... Where's the high or low? Where is it? Where is? Nope. Oh, Matty. We still have 500 bucks drawdown here. We'll continue trading this one the next day. And obviously the rest of the accounts too. We have a ton of evaluations here. But actually today we spent a lot with our funded account where we made 4,000 profit. We're going to take our payout from here, 250 bucks. Just to enable unlimited payouts here with no cap and all that stuff going on. So we'll take 250 bucks out from this. The other one we've got funded, we're not going to cash out anything. We're having 1,261 profit. If we cash out, we're going to have the max loss too close to us, right? So it's time for the rest of the giveaways. It's time for the rest of the giveaways. Ducks, Will, and Formalo. There we go, everyone. There we go. So the first one will be $25,000, tap on futures instant funded, end of the day drawdown. Second one will be $25,000 funded seat, flex. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that, Badger. Here we go again. Exactly as I needed on my short. Now it came up. Now it came up and they delivered on me. Beautiful. What a beast. And the third one will be basically 50k YRM. What a beast. Right, so 100k here. Fill up the form, like the video, be subscribed. Join the Discord, it's all the things you gotta do. 00, 11, 22, and a single number 5. You can start right now. 00, 11, 22, and a single 5. Best of luck, everyone. Above the decent, I would categorize today's performance, knowing we made 4 grand in that account, very important, and 1,200 in the other for FundedSeat. That is a heavy milestone. You know why? Because it opens the doors for days like 2,000-3,000, and we cash out daily. Yeah. I'm gonna focus a lot, as I said, for August. I wanna see if I can do $20,000 payout in August from FundedSeat, the Ultra accounts. Stop right there, no more guesses, guys, no more shuffle, and we're good to go. Best of luck, everyone. Will the number 2 finally come up? Should be your main question. Well, The yellow one, no, but I'm trying to put the 0, which is in between, guys, just to tilt this guys with number 2 a little more. Can we stop on 0? I want to tilt you guys so hard with a number 2. Ha 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 ha. Oh. That's gotta be number 2, I'm sorry. The paddle is working fine today. Gang number 2. Not this week. Not this week. Maddie, you said it. Finally, I've moved to number 2. Number 2 no longer comes. 0 again. This week is going to be about zeros. So you see what's delivered on Monday, and then you attack with that. Congratulations. Have a beautiful duck race for the winners. Oh, we're sharing 63. Look at that. Wow. Top 3 is going to win. 30 seconds competition time. I know, you guys are rushing to trade. The first account is end of the day. Instant funded from Top 1 Futures. Oh, look at the badger at the top. He's a bull duck. You're long badger on that duck. 65. Oh. A dino is gonna come up. No, Scrembo is winning, guys. That's crazy. Look at that. Winter times. Scrembo is winning the race. Celebration for everyone. Free beers, free champagnes. There you go. Scrembo is winning the race. It's time for the Chimpanzee Trading, Dart Trader Pro, and Alexandru Gunash. I mean, we're going to see the top 3. First, let's see the top 3, guys. Give me a minute, and you probably know why. If you see the connection missing out for a minute, you should know why. I'm not going to do it. So, Scrembo's first. Better luck next time. Chimpanzee. Congratulations, buddy. You got the Top 1 Futures. You got a Top 1 Futures, buddy. No way. You got a Top 1 Futures, buddy. I missed out on the form. So the 4th guy is having his lucky day because I was top 3 and did not fill up the form. Look at that. Alexandru Gunash. You're winning because of Scrembo not filling. Damn. Dart Trader. You're going to have the FundedSeat 25,000 flex. Congratulations, Dart Trader. Fully confirmed. And Alexandru is running on 50k. Yes, 50k YRM. Congratulations. 50,000 YRM to your pocket. So that's where we are. Chimpanzee is a 25,000 instant funded end of the day Top 1 Futures. Dart Trader is a 25,000 flex from FundedSeat, and Alexandra is running on a 50k YRM. Oh yeah. Well, the market is surviving. This is a really, really congested place. Daily VWAPs openings, 200 EMA. Wicks and supplies. Have a beautiful time, guys, and expect wicks. That's what you gotta do today, from the way it looks like. Thank you so much. Continuing tomorrow. Have a beautiful time. Peace. Thank you once again for showing up. We continue tomorrow.